Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma online. Figma is a powerful, cloud-based design tool that allows you to create stunning user interfaces and prototypes directly in your web browser. There is no need for any software downloads or installations, making it incredibly accessible. You can collaborate with team members in real time, seeing their changes as they happen, which streamlines the design process significantly. It is perfect for individuals and teams looking for an efficient and flexible design solution. Getting started with Figma online is straightforward. First, simply navigate to the Figma website and either create a new account or log into your existing one. From your dashboard, you can easily start a brand new design file, which opens up your creative canvas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface. The main toolbar is on the left, and the Properties panel, where you adjust element details, is on the right. Now, let's dive into Figma's core design features. Frames are fundamental. They act as your artboards, defining distinct screens or sections for your project. You can easily create various vector shapes and text layers to construct your user interface elements. Experiment with the fill and stroke options to apply vibrant colors, smooth gradients, and engaging effects. Remember to organize your layers and components effectively for a clean and manageable design workflow. One of Figma's greatest strengths is its collaboration capabilities. You can effortlessly invite team members to either view or directly edit your design files, fostering seamless teamwork. For presentations or feedback, simply share a public link to your interactive prototype. When your design is ready, export it in popular formats such as PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Plus, utilize the commenting feature to give and receive precise feedback right on the canvas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.